Hello, here is BB Walker. Welcome to my channel again. In today's video I will show you how to find engine number and pair your smartphone with this brand new Omoda E5. So if you are interested in, just stay tuned and we will start very soon. Okay, so first open the bonnet. Or more here to the left. Okay, to the left. Remove this cover. Right, gently. Okay, I will take it from here. So basically, if you remove the cover, the secret engine number is located below this part here. And to be precise, please let me check the pointer. Okay, so again we look below here. This is first number, second number, and this is the last one, SJM, and some digits after. Alright, so this was this number. Alright, so we are back in BYD. So you take your phone, you install the application called Omoda Jaecoo. I have already installed it. Click open, and we go down here. So be some presentation, add vehicle, and my vehicles, add vehicle number. So there are two options in here. First is scanning this QR code, but in my version 2025 it doesn't work. So basically we go to manual input. This is the second part, and you will see vehicle identification number, press enter. So this is simple, 70 characters, and the engine number. This is the tricky part because I have spent more than an hour to find which number is the actual number. So as you can see, this is this third number on this sticker, and it was something like SM something, and some digits, something like this. I don't remember exactly, but there was the short number. Some part of this number you can find in the sticker, which was included in the glove box of the car, but this is not the whole number. Some sources in the internet tells that this should be the whole number without asterisks. The application doesn't allow you to enter anything than number and letter. So basically asterisk doesn't go in here. So this number starts from S in my condition. This is the third in the stickers that I have shown you. Okay, so if you add vehicle identification number and this engine number, you will be able to pair your car and do all the remote controlling. Oh no, the cat again is trying to steal my car. How dare you. Alright, so basically in BYD it was really simple, because the only thing you have to do is to add your email address to the dealer, and the dealership do all the work. You just install app, create account, and go. And this one, the Omoda, this is from the Sherry, I don't know, Sherry concern, Omoda and Jaecoo, maybe, if I spell it correctly. So basically you need to do it by yourself, which means you need to create account using your phone number, then add email to log fast without giving the SMS code all the time. And after it you just need this engine number, which was really tricky. Alright, so basically if you are interested in everything about this Omoda E5 or my BYD Sea Lion 7, which I use for 6 months like here, and this one is brand new. This one will be used by my wife, but I will have access to both of the cars. So if you have any questions or want to see something more in particular, I don't want to make a review. There is a lot of them in the internet, but basically some tips and tricks about the vehicle to load, about using the wallbox charger from China, how to load your internal battery and how to transfer some energy to your house, because not only charging but also discharging, so powering your house using the car, which is an interesting thing. You can also check my other channel, which is Copper, Silver and Steel, where I do more about electric stuff. And here in this channel, BB Walker, where I do videos about keyboards, Yamaha music, you know that. I know that you wait for new videos, but this 2 years was a crazy time for me. I am starting to invest in some new location, maybe new studio, maybe new things. But the AI changed the world completely, so I probably record some new videos about it. But you know, I have a Mitsubishi Pajero. I had because I sold it. But now I'm fully electric. I have 3 electric cars, this BYD, this Omoda, and the Renault Kangoo, which is my car used for transportation and building and construction work stuff. So I think it's all for now for this video. The tricky part was this engine number, so the sticker, third number on the sticker. If you have any questions or your particular model is different, because I have read some sources and it was false in my conditions, because they giving an answer that you should copy all the numbers that is in the stickers. It's not true in my case, and the last one works. And so basically give me a comment, we can test or check other things. Alright, so this is all for now. I hope you are still interested in my videos, because the last one was 2 years ago. The time goes fast and things change as quickly as possible. So again, thanks for watching and see you later. It was BB Walker. Omoda.